Hey everyone, welcome to Maurson. Let's check out some small businesses and make sure to support these businesses. All the links are in the description. Okay, let's pack an order for Chase. We got some nice crunchy packaging again, and you know I love crunchy packaging. Overthinking, do my best, be kind, anxious. These are all seemingly mental health related, which I love the message of that. See the Way I See is the name of the small business. I really like these. Are these stickers? Ooh, it's a hoodie and another hoodie. I think these are all hoodies maybe, but I'm not sure. And some like pins or keychains. These seem so beautiful. I love the colors. It's like retro colors. There's a ring in there as well. Chase ordered a lot of things, didn't he? Oh, did you see how she or they snapped that off? It was like so clean. It was, I need to play that back actually. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Listen to this. Yeah. Get in there, okay? Oh, that's nice, I like that. Sorry. I'm not gonna replay anymore. The packaging seems so lovely and so well done. It's so cool to use the sweatshirts as like the safety packaging for the other things inside. Ooh, those are bags of things. Okay, new business. Beautygenics. Oh, we got some false lashes. That's awesome. In a little suitcase package. I love it. Oh, look at those crunchies. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. These are adorable. Adorable. You get all the little tools you need to do your lashes. Okay, first she wiped down, or they. I always assume it's a girl, but that's not necessarily true. Are those little dino stickers? That's awesome. Oh, they customize iPhone or like just phone in general masks, which is awesome. There's so many machines here. They really know what they're doing here. Yeah, they're very, very well prepared here with everything. I love it. I love it. I love that they make and customize their own masks instead of just like buying and then reselling at a higher price. I think that's very cool. And you can probably get customized and personalized things like, you know, your face or your pet's face or something like that. Okay, we got a new one. Ooh, that's a foreign language. I didn't quite catch it. Ooh, you get some nice little snackies in there. I wonder what the product is. I didn't get a good look at it. But that's awesome. Let's go. Let's package an order for Miranda. Oh, glass straws? I don't think I've ever heard of that before. That's very cool. Reusable straws instead of using plastic ones. And utensils as well. That's really awesome. Glass straws. I wonder what it's like drinking out of one of those. It's got to be refreshing because glass keeps cool. Like it stays cool. So I assume that it's very nice to have glass straws instead of plastic or paper ones. Plastic-free packaging, always. I always appreciate renewable ways of doing things like packaging. Because paper is recyclable. Oh, that crunch is amazing. I can't take it.
I can't believe someone actually bought all our memo pad designs.
Aww. Someone bought
Let's
all
go
the different
ahead
designs.
and pack them.
Let's go ahead. Okay, I'm excited. Let's pack them.
The
Okay, if someone's hiring to do packaging for you, I will gladly do it because this seems so satisfying. You're just like picking at things and they're making crunchy noise. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with these ASMR crunchy packaging noises, but I am, and don't judge me.
boxes I have are a bit small. Lol.
Oh, the packages.
Thank you so much,
they're small.
Rodley, and everyone who got our memo pads.
Aw,
New design soon.
that's awesome. Someone got all the. Ooh, wow. Don't tell me that this is handmade. That looks awesome. And a little bit creepy, but mostly awesome. I love it. It's beautiful. I love it. She changes her eyes by clicking something in the back, by pulling some string. Wow! Okay, 10-year-old me would have loved this. Everything's customizable. You get all the different kind of like little patches and hands. And little apples and food. Jesus. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, I don't know if this is a kid who ordered or an adult, but whoever it is, they're gonna have a lot of fun with that. This seems like a collectible item. I love it. I really love this. Okay, this has to be one of my favorite things I've seen so far. Look at that. Wow. Please don't tell me this is all handmade, because I would freak out. I love it all. This person must be so talented. Look at that. It does look like it's handmade. It does look like it's crocheted. Oh, look at the doll. Big eyes. Big sad eyes. We got stickers, as always. These small businesses really, really keep the sticker game up there. They're all very cute. I would collect stickers if I wasn't an adult. Maybe I should still. I don't know. I'm just saying things. Big packaging. Everything is very safely packaged so it doesn't break or anything like that or get damaged. Very cute as well. I love it. I love it. And I love how they didn't go for the straight like pink theme because it's dolls, so it's for girls. It's just like a neutral kind of teal color. It's not very neutral, but it is at the same time. I don't know. I just love that they didn't go for the obvious pink. But maybe they do in other videos. I'd love to see more videos though. Oh, there we go. We talked about pink and now we get pink. I am something of a prophet. Wow! No way. Okay, that's so up my alley. You know, I might have said I like how they didn't go for the obvious, which is pink with dolls, but I love pink and I love glitter. And that little lip balm or whatever we just saw, that's literally my dream. I want everything in this packaging. It's beautiful, it's adorable, and it seems like it's good for you. It's lovely. Sushi Glow Cosmetics. I have to check. Oh my god, look at that sticker. It has glitter on it. I love glitter. Thank you for this video. It made my day. I love that. I love the pink. Packaging and order for Shay. I'm not going to try to pronounce Rixie. Rixie? I did try to pronounce it anyway. Okay. Okay. Animal print. Very careful with it. I'm assuming these are lip glosses or something like that. Lip balms. Lipsticks. Lip things. I don't know. But they do look very good. I would want to see them on someone's lip. Ooh, that packaging. I assume this scrunchie is a little gift. Maybe, maybe not. I'm not sure. It's hard to tell what the order is versus what the little gift that the person doing the packaging decides to put in. Because they mix it up, so I can't tell. But maybe by the end we'll find out. A little bit of a struggle there, putting it in. But I love the little bag. It's like holographic, iridescent. I'm not sure. Something like that. Look at that. Oh, wow. Bad Rixie. I love it. So I don't think the scrunchie is a gift. I think it's a part of the order. But look, all the purple things going in there. Oh, I love it. I love this so much. I haven't seen a business yet that I'm just like, I don't know about that. Just like everything seems so cool. And everyone's wearing gloves because obviously COVID, so. Okay, now those might be gifties. Maybe. I don't know. I love the hearts. It seems so very serene and peaceful to do these packages. I'm just like... Thank you for Bad Rixie. From Bad Rixie. Or I might be pronouncing that wrong. Oh no! No! We're already at the end. Okay, well. I can't believe it finished that quickly. I could watch these TikToks all day, every day. Alright guys, that's it for today. Do hit the like button and subscribe to Maurson for more awesome videos. See you in the next one.